Madhya Pradesh becomes the first state in the country to recognize third gender and issued ID cards. A new initiative has been taken for transgender in the capital Bhopal on New Year. For the first time in the country, the third gender will now have its own identity card. Till now, transgender did not have a personal ID, they have documents like Aadhaar, voter card, etc. But Collector Abhinash Lavanya made Madhya Pradesh the first state in the country by providing a separate ID card to transgender, where now the third gender will have their own ID cards. This is a unique initiative of Bhopal Collector Abhinash Lavanya to recognize the third gender community. He has officially issued identity cards to the transgender, but still there is no awareness among the people of the community about which there is a need to work in the future. Initiatives taken by the state government. Madhya Pradesh has also formed a board which will not only maintain a database of transgender in the state but also provide them with government jobs as per their skill and ability. The government will soon appoint a chairperson for among the community for the Kinnar board constituted for their welfare. The board will create awareness among the third gender about ongoing welfare programs related to literacy, sanitation and health. According to official estimates, there are nearly 2500 transgender in Madhya Pradesh, but their actual number could be higher. Most of them make a living by singing and dancing at various celebrations. What Supreme Court has said about the fundamental rights of transgender. The first and foremost right that they are deserving is the right to equality under Article 14. Article 15 speaks about the prohibition of discrimination on the grounds of religion, race, caste, sex or birthplace. Article 21 ensures right to privacy and personal dignity to all the citizens. Article 23 prohibits trafficking in human beings as beggars and other similar forms of forced labor, and any contravention of these provisions shall be an offence punishable in accordance with the law. What are the various welfare programs initiated by the Government of India for transgender community? The government is all set to launch an umbrella scheme to provide better education facility to transgender children and provide financial aid to work out transgenders. The umbrella scheme have 5 components: pre-matric and post-matric scholarship for transgender children, support for vocational training of transgenders, pension for out-of-work transgenders in the age group of 40 to 60 years, and monthly monetary support for families with transgender children. Supreme Court judgment may bring transgender on equal footing with other citizens, but more need to be done to change the attitude of society towards them.